Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today we're doing a pink set. I'm just starting off with this white from Secret. I've had this white for, I want to say, over 2 years. I never really reached for it. It's just extremely white and kind of chalky. I mostly use it for acrylic flowers, but I've been doing like colored flowers, so I don't really reach for it. But yes, I'm gonna show you my application. I'll be doing an ombre nail. I'm gonna add another bead, and then I'll add some glitter on the tip, and then I'll ombre it. For this nail, I built the white too thick, so I'm gonna have to put down a very thin layer of clear acrylic and hand file it instead of using the e-file, because I don't want to file into the glitter. Okay, so I placed this first bead and I'll blend it in, and then this is like the guide for the second bead. So I placed that literally just right above, push it back into the cuticle, and then drag the remaining product down the nail to give that ombre effect. And I'll go back in with another bead for the cuticle. Okay, on to the next nail. So for this nail, it's going to be a full color of this pink. This is from Honeysnailsecret. For their acrylics, some of the acrylics, like in the jar, I don't know if you can see around the back, it's like this. The pink isn't, what am I trying to say? Like, it looks different than what is on the nail. So when the monomer hits the pink, it looks like a deeper pink that different than what's in the jar. And some of her acrylics, that's how it is. You just have to swatch it and to know the true color of it. But that's okay though. But I just wanted you to know. So this is it for this nail. Pretty simple. I'm pleased with this application and the shape of it. Don't mind the crooked nails. So for this marble, I was totally in love with it. I wanted to do a full set just of this pink and white. I might do that though, but it was so super cute. I did the same thing on the thumb, but it wasn't a full nail of marble, it's an ombre. And that's how you marble nail the cuticle. You just put down a thin layer of one of the colors around the cuticle and then you marble right there. So this is going to be a full nail of this color as well. I'll leave the products in the description box so you can see what exactly I used. So after I'm finished with this, I'm gonna shape and file everything off camera and just show you guys how I'm gonna design the nails. I also have a video of the dust collector I use. I've been testing it out, so I've been using it for quite some time. I think I bought it last month or the month before, and I'm just testing it out just to see if it's worth mentioning, and I think it is. I have a few clips of me using it and stuff like that. I just need to put it together. Yeah, so look out for that video, and if you're not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing and leave a like. Okay, so I'm using both of these. Cure it for 60 seconds, and here I'm adding some gems onto this nail because I'm gonna do an acrylic flower. I'll show you how that's done. I'm also gonna add some swirls to the index finger. So here I pick up a bead, but it's too big, so I'm gonna try it again. Dry the liquid out the brush, use the belly of the brush to create an indent in the acrylic, and try to get each bead as even as possible. I use the rhinestone in the middle as a guide, so it gives that perfect floral look. I'll do just a few on this rhinestone, and that will be it for today's tutorial. I do hope you guys enjoyed. I have a few more videos that I need to edit, so yeah, more content on the way. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.